Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you an important review of Gluco6, the all-natural supplement that promises to help promote healthy blood sugar levels and support weight loss. If you or someone you know is struggling with high blood sugar, this is a video you can't miss. But before we start, remember that the only safe place to buy Gluco6 is via the official website, the link to which is in the description below. There have been reports of counterfeit products being sold elsewhere, so don't risk buying an adulterated version, or worse, paying and not receiving your order. Always buy from the official source. Why is it important to control blood sugar? Controlling blood sugar levels is fundamental, especially for older people, as they are at greater risk of developing serious health complications. High blood sugar can lead to problems such as fatigue, blurred vision, nerve damage, and even heart problems. That's why taking early action is essential. Why choose a supplement like Gluco6? Many people turn to medications, but they often come with unpleasant side effects. Gluco6 is different. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, meaning you can support your health without worrying about harmful chemicals or unwanted side effects. Natural supplements work with your body rather than against it, promoting balance and long-term wellness. So, how does Gluco6 work? This supplement is formulated to stabilize blood sugar levels while also supporting weight loss. It helps improve metabolism, reduce sugar cravings, and maintain healthy insulin function, all essential for long-term health. What's even better is that Gluco6 is made in the USA under the highest quality standards, ensuring that you're getting a safe and effective product. And the best part? It's sold worldwide, meaning anyone can take advantage of its benefits. Thousands of people have already tried Gluco6 and shared their amazing results online. From lower blood sugar levels to significant weight loss, the testimonials speak for themselves. This is a product that is truly changing lives. Don't wait, take action now. If you're serious about controlling your blood sugar naturally, don't wait until it's too late. Stock is limited, and due to high demand, Gluco6 may sell out soon. So, make sure to order yours today through the official website, which you can find in the description below. Remember, investing in your health is one of the best decisions you can make. Gluco6 provides a natural and effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels and weight loss without the risks associated with medications. So, if you're ready to take control of your health, click the link in the description and order Gluco6 from the official website before supplies run out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.